So how is it going, guys? Kumusta kayo? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review the MageGee MK-Star61, a mechanical keyboard that I've been using for about an hour. This keyboard is compact, portable, and has a nice blue LED backlight. It is perfect for those who want to save space on their desk or for those who want to bring it with them anywhere. And let's face it, who doesn't want to have a portable keyboard, right? By the way, I just want to clarify that this video is not sponsored, although I really wish it was. So, MageGee, if you're watching this, baka naman. So, tara na, without anything to say, let's dive into it. So, let's take a closer look at it and see if it's worth buying. As for the size, it's only 291 by 101 by 35mm and weighs 0.56 kilograms, which means it's lighter than my cat. It also comes with a detachable USB cable that's 1.6 meters long, so you can plug it into any device you want. The keyboard has 61 keys, which are all mechanical and have blue or red switches. I personally prefer the blue switches because they give me a satisfying feedback when I type or code. The keys are also anti-ghosting, which means they won't miss any keystrokes even if you press multiple keys at once. So you can spam those keys without worrying about missing a beat. One of the best features of this keyboard is the LED backlight. It has a blue color that looks very cool and matches the keyboard's design. You can adjust the brightness and speed of the light with some combination keys. And you can also choose from different lighting effects like breathing, wave, ripple, or static. It's like having a disco party in your room. Who needs a disco ball when you have this keyboard? The keyboard also has an ergonomic design that makes it comfortable to use for long periods of time. It has a stir-up keycap layout that follows the natural curve of your fingers, and it also has a foldable kickstands that let you adjust the angle of the keyboard. The keyboard also has a natural 4-degree tilt that keeps your hand in a relaxed position, perfect for those who want to type or game for hours without feeling any discomfort. Overall, I think the MageGee MK-Star61 is a great mini mechanical keyboard for anyone who wants a compact, portable, and stylish device. It has a good build quality, a nice typing feel, and a beautiful backlight. It's also compatible with most devices and operating systems, so you can use it for gaming, typing, or anything else you want. So, if you're interested in buying this keyboard, you can check out the link in the description below. Let me know what you think of this keyboard in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like tech videos and Java tutorials. Salamat sa panonood at hanggang sa muli.